Welcome to Emini Authority's REAPER, Emini Scalping Day Trading System. Now, REAPER brings to mind the concept of that scary-looking guy with the sickle. Well, you want to be that scary-looking guy with the sickle. Well, maybe not that guy actually, but in concept, you want to appear that way to the Emini markets. Okay, so they tremble in fear when you start trading. In the concept of a competitive marketplace, and you're the new super trader that walks onto the scene who just seems to just keep on winning and winning, and people just can't figure out why. Well, how do you win in trading? Well, you get to know what you're doing. You get to know what the market's doing and how the market works, and more so how price action work. Now, what's this price action stuff? Well, it's how the bars move on a price chart, how they ebb and flow, how they react to each other, right? Not only in position, but also in ratio, right? But also there's an intuitive type of factor that comes into play, which not only drives other people and they don't even know it. Well, you have two sides of that, and I'll get into that in a second. But there's an intuitive factor where price starts, stops, stalls, starts another way, or takes a break and keeps on going for a renewed stroll in the same direction. Okay, you can say a swing or trend continuation. And so we want to now understand how that works. We want to understand and not only know cerebrally, but kind of get it, not kind of, but actually get it in connection with the heart and the soul. So you just kind of get it. So you put everything together and you're able to just take a price chart, see it, and trade it. Right? This is a scalping method in that we are going on a smaller time frame and we're going to look to take these smaller moves. Now, here we're focusing on the Russell 2000. You can focus on any Emini pair you want. All right, you just want a decent profile on the 1 minute bars, ultimately. You, of course, can take this method to other minute bars and trade that as well. Now, you can see more details on the site, and you can see this performance result. We put in this kind of, we took it out of tables here and left it as this type of format. These are the spaces between the numbers are the separation of the different numbers, and you can see the sum of the system's trade and the bold at the end of each day. If we left it in the table, it just runs right off the page and it just gets a little crazy. So you can see here, points per day average 12.67. Now, if you know the Russell 2000, all right, that's huge. Okay, and this is not per day. This should be corrected to just a 2.5 hour trading period, right? 9:30 to noon. I mean, you can trade this more if you want. And don't feel limited to TF. I mean, you trade currency futures. You can trade whatever, commodities, whatever seems to ebb and flow. Well, in the 1 minute bars, hey, it's all you. Dow futures, NASDAQ, whatever. I'm not really a fan of S&P, yes, but you can trade whatever you want. All right, so now that we got that down, here are the numbers. On one contract, that's $1,200 a day. That's absolutely ridiculous. All right, and if you're able to average that on a daily basis, on a consistent basis, then that's really good. And if you see here, 10 contracts, 12 grand a day. 50 contracts, 63 grand a day. Okay, so you can work your way up. But this is a scalping method. It puts you in. Gives you a lot of control. All right, control in terms of your ability to get in and out relative to the price action. Now you can see the numbers of trades here. Of course, the frequency is it's pretty frequent, but ultimately, if you can net out a profit, you don't have to worry so much about your commissions. If you're worrying too much about your commissions and your commissions are too high, and you need to negotiate those or go to another broker. It's very competitive, so you should be able to, And then, of course, you have brokers like Interactive. I mean, although they're kind of really lame in their approach towards customer service, but they're cheap. Okay, so anyways, you can go check it out. Hey, whatever, you just that's your thing. You need to find your broker that you like. We can't advise you on a broker, is the point. So this system is scalping. It's 1 minute bars. Trades 2.5 hours a day. All right. It's a manual system. It's a home study course that will teach you the secrets and how to trade the system. It's not a robot or software or automated, whatever. Okay. The focus here is to teach you how to trade and help you become a really great trader on your own. So you're not dependent on any technology that can easily fall apart and can become some sort of mystery later, or it could be pulled, or it could just, then all of a sudden you depend on this technology, this magic robot, this software, secret software, and then all of a sudden when that dries up or something happens, there goes your income. So you don't want to be in that position. To know, this is, learning Reaper is huge. Okay, it's huge for all your trading, whether you're swing trading, stocks, or options even, whether you're binary options trading. All right, speaking of which, this is a great method to learn for your binary options trading, particularly at Nadex. All right, so Reaper is learning this system is going to be so huge for all your trading. You're going to crack the code on fundamental swing price action that you always wondered, how do you capture, all these moves, ups and downs, up and down, all along the way. And now you're going to know, you're going to be able to capture these moves when you're going to be able to capture the good moves. And so this is going to be a great concept for you to learn, and even greater to put to work, although, can't promise you future returns, but, in terms of putting yourself in probability position for being able to collect profits, Reaper is a great way to go. So if you have any questions, you can contact us from the site Emini Trading Authority. Obviously, it's now putting this in the brand in the logo now, and just drop us a line, from our contact form. That's about it. Thanks.